He's infamous. Hey, it's Rich Flentge, Super Cape Rock. We're here today with John Hall, an American hot rodder right here from Missouri, and he's going to tell you about his Wanker.
This motor's called a Felix Wanko designed it, and it's a rotary engine. It's really odd. It's got 4 spark plugs, but it's got two exhaust pipes. And here you can see it's made in Hiroshima, Japan, and it's probably radioactive because we probably bombed that with P-51. And the alternator is a Kubota tractor, and then I made the frame. It's 1.5 by 3 tubing, 55 Ford steering box, and the body is fiberglass. It's all homemade. You can see where it's just stuck together. Nice car. And it's got about 250 horsepower. The whole car weighs 1,250 pounds, so it's pretty peppy, pretty good. 9-inch Ford rear end that's been narrowed. Motorcycle shocks. Dodge pickup back wheels. But yeah, it's the body was off from Speedway, and I cut it in 2 and widened it 3 feet. There wasn't nothing on TV that month, so motorcycle tachometer. It's an Econoline front axle that I cut 7 inches out of and welded it back together. And I think I welded it okay. We'll find out as soon as the brakes goes in 2. Come and get me. But
yeah, that'd be nice.
The theme was to make it look like a Hot Wheels car. Kids love it.